Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable Autopay in Google Pay. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to enable Autopay here inside your Google Pay account or the app, well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to set up your account. Now, at the top private screen, you should see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, on the next page here, you should see the option for, like, for example, seeing your QR code, inviting your friends, but also the pay businesses that has the debit or credit card option. Now, the thing with pay business option here, this is what you'll be using as a payment method or the card that you'll be using for paying for certain services through the Google Pay app. So in this case, just click on the add button next to pay businesses, and from then on, it will give you this pop-up. Now from here, it's going to say add card to Google Pay. Go and click on proceed. Now from then on, you could either basically add this via your in this case by tapping your card if your phone actually supports that, or you can also enter the details manually here. So go ahead and enter all the necessary details like the card number, expiration date, the CVC, the name, and the country of that card, and also the associated address on that card. So make sure all information are correct, and also your name or the details here are exactly matches the card, so that your card won't be rejected. Now, once you've added your card, you should now be able to start using the app for paying for services through the Google Pay app. Now, the thing with this one is, as long as you choose Google Pay as a payment method through any means, like for example, through like a service online, well, you will be able to start using your account as long as a card is present on that Google Pay account. So you don't have to worry about it. Just make sure to select it and properly set it up. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.